Hey guys, today I will show you how to make traps in Monster Hunter World. First, open the in-game menu and go to Crafting List. This is where you can combine materials into traps. To make a shock trap, you need a trap tool and a thunderbug. Trap tools can be bought from the provision stockpile, and thunderbugs are found in the field. To make a pitfall trap, you need a trap tool and a net. Nets are crafted using ivy and spiderweb. Once crafted, the trap goes straight into your item pouch and is ready to use during hunts. You can also auto-craft traps by enabling it in the crafting list. This is useful when you pick up materials during a quest. And that's how to make traps in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.